I'm going to show you 5 ways to get free compost. Organic kitchen scraps. You should already be using your leftover coffee grounds, eggshells, banana peels, and flowers from that time you forgot her birthday. Fallen leaves. Most people have these literally hanging around their yard. Even better, most of your neighbors will bag them up for you. All you have to do is take them away. Junk mail. I smile when I get solicitations or angry letters from my HOA in the mail. It's free compost. Anything printed on regular paper is great to tear up and toss into your pile. Whoops, that might have been a bill. Grass clippings. This one's easy. Freshly mowed grass provides much needed nitrogen, and it's already chopped up and ready to compost. Cardboard boxes. Sometimes I go to Walmart and fill up a carriage with nothing but cardboard. They may be confused, but I'm not. Every compost needs carbon. Small boxes from canned goods and snacks are perfect, but don't be shy about the size. Size doesn't matter. And there's 5 free ways to get compost. Comment down below if you have another way to get free compost. And make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release more helpful videos like these.